So, good morning, friends. Let's start with the op-amp circuits. Yesterday, we had a discussion about introduction of op-amp, and let's start. Screen is visible or not? Am I audible? Yes. Okay, fine. So, let's start. The name of the topic is operational amplifier. So, yesterday, we have discussed that the gain of op-amp is very high, and if gain is op-amp is very high, then it will saturate the op-amp, or it will bias the op-amp in non-linear region. So how to get back into the linear region? By applying a negative feedback. So we have applied one negative feedback and applied the concept of virtual ground. After applying the concept of virtual ground, we can find the expression of voltage gain, or we can analyze the circuit. This is the idea. Now, yesterday we had a discussion about uh, non-inverting amplifier. Now, let's start with the inverting amplifier. Inverting amplifier. What is inverting amplifier? We have one resistance known as this is R1, this is R2. And in last lecture, we have supplied non-inverting terminal. Now, we can disconnect this supply. We can connect this point to the ground and connect this supply here. This is Vi. When we connect supply to the inverting terminal, this amplifier is known as inverting amplifier. Due to virtual ground, because of negative feedback in linear op-amp, open loop gain is infinity and negative feedback is there, then what we can say? We can apply the concept of virtual ground. So by applying the concept of virtual ground, we can set a virtual short circuit here. Means this value is 0 volt. If this value is 0 volt, then current in this direction is what? Vi divided by R1. Now, the input resistance of op-amp is infinite. This means op-amp will not accept any current. I minus is equivalent to 0. This means this whole current will flow through this whole current will flow through the resistance R2. So can I say this potential is plus, this is minus, because current will enter in this direction, and this is Vi divided by R1. Let me write this resistance is a VR2, and VR2 is given by Vi divided by R1 is current multiplied by resistance R2, and this is output voltage. So what we can say, V output, we can apply KVL from here. This is 0 volt, 0 matlab with respect to this is 0 volt, then plus VR2 plus V output equal to 0. Basic KVL लगाया है यहाँ. And what I can say, the output voltage of this circuit is equivalent to minus of VR2, which is minus of Vi into R2 divided by R1. Or what we can say, the gain of inverting amplifier, V output divided by V input, is minus of R2 by R1. This is the expression for gain. लेकिन यहाँ थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, जरा देखो कैसे. What is problem in this circuit? Let's calculate, है ना. This is voltage gain. So voltage gain is minus R2 by R1. Let's calculate the input resistance. Of inverting amplifier, input resistance of inverting amplifier, and what it says, the supplied voltage divided by input voltage divided by input current. So what I can say, this is our circuit. Vi R1 and this is R2. This is connected to ground, and due to virtual ground, this potential is also 0 volt. So what is input current? You can say this current is input current, I input. So we can say Vi minus 0, V input minus 0 divided by R1 is input current of this amplifier. So input voltage Vi divided by input current ratio is R1. And what is R1? R1 is known as Ri, input resistance of this amplifier. So what is input resistance of this amplifier? Ri. And what is voltage gain? Minus R2 by Ry. And this two statement will create a problem. Voltage gain is minus R2 by R1, and input resistance is equivalent to Ri. So for a voltage amplifier, what we need? This resistance is R1. For a voltage amplifier point of view, what we need? That a voltage gain must be as high as possible and input resistance must be as high as possible. So if voltage gain is as high as possible, we want the minimum value of R1, है ना. R2 का एक लिमिट है, you cannot go beyond mega ohms, है ना. So So what we want input resistance as low as possible, and from this point of view, input resistance point of view, we want R1 as high as possible. So uh, this amplifier, this inverting amplifier will not work in optimum way. You know, this amplifier will not work in optimum way because there is a contradiction. uh, Voltage gain requires the minimum value of R1, while input resistance requires the maximum value of R1 to optimize the performance of this op amp. Is it clear? कोई परेशानी तो नहीं है? बोलें जल्दी. No. Clear है. Very good. So we will modify the circuit, है ना? We will modify the circuit, and we can have an expression where voltage gain, the dependency of voltage gain and input resistance is different on resistance. Let's see how we can perform this operation. So what I can say, let's say a modified inverting amplifier. Super inverting amplifier. One super inverting amplifier. How it works? Let's see. We are having input resistance, input voltage Vi. This is R1. Then we'll use a resistance bridge T section here. This is R2. This is R3. And this is R4. So what this circuit is? This circuit is a super inverting amplifier. A super inverting amplifier means input resistance and voltage gain are function of two different resistances. So you can manage it independently. This is the idea for the circuit. Let's see how what is the expression of the voltage gain and what is expression of input resistance. So we can say I can apply a virtual ground concept here, और जैसे ही virtual ground concept apply किया, you can say this potential is 0. If this potential is 0, then input voltage divided by input current, let's say this is input current. So what I can say, Vi divided by I input current is equivalent to input voltage divided by input current is Ri, and Ri is equivalent to what? R1. Fine. So there is no change in input resistance. Input resistance of this circuit is R1. Let's talk about the voltage gain of this circuit. How we can find the voltage gain of this circuit? Let's say this potential is R2. This resistance is R2. So what is current in this circuit? The current in this circuit is Vi divided by R1. The negative terminal of op amp or inverting terminal of op amp will not accept any current, है ना? Just for ideal op amp. So current will enter into this region. and this current is VI divided by R1. Then the potential drop here will be, the current will enter from the positive. So VI divided by R1 into R2. VI divided by R1 into R2. This is the potential drop across resistance R2. So what I can say, if this is the potential drop across R2, I can say if this potential is 0 volt and you are going positive to negative, so this potential will be minus of VI into R2 divided by R1. So that I can say 0 minus this potential is equivalent to potential drop across R2. Now, one more thing, what I can say, if potential is given, so higher potential is 0, lower potential is this, divided by R3 is current in this direction. So what is current through R3? It is VI into R2 divided by R1. ये तो हुआ potential, divided by R3 is current. अब तो current भी आ गया हमारे पास. So we are having one current, this VI by R1, one current, this is entering into the R4. So what I can say, the current in R4, the current in R4 is coming from two path. एक करंट तो ये है मेरे पास, which is VI divided by R1. So first current is VI divided by R1. And what is second current? Second current is VI into R2 divided by R1 R3. This current will enter into the R4 resistance. So I can say the potential drop will be VI by R1 plus VI into R2 divided by R1 R3. ये सारी बात तो हुई किसकी? करंट की, and multiplied by this resistance will gives you potential, and this is V output. So I can say this. Now we can apply a KVL. So what is value of this potential? This potential is minus of VI into R2 divided by R1. So I can write the output. What is potential of this point? By applying KVL, we can find the output minus of VI into R2 divided by R1, and we are going plus to minus, so voltage will drop, and this value is minus of VI divided by R1 into R4 minus VI into R2 R4 divided by R1 R3. This is equivalent to V output. है ना? थोड़ा सा आप स्मार्टली अगर अप्लाई करेंगे केवीएल केसीएल तो आपको कैलकुलेशन करने की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं होगी. सो व्हाट आई कैन से, लेट्स टेक V output is equivalent to, I am taking minus VI into R2 by R1 as common, so that I can compare this with the old result. Okay. So minus VI into R2 by R1. If I take this as a common, what is remaining? 1 from here. So this is R4 by R2 plus this is R2 by R1 is common. So R4 by R3. And this is the expression for the voltage gain of This is the expression for the voltage gain of an super inverting amplifier, in which you can manage the gain. You can select the high value of Ri, and by varying R2, R4, R4, R2, R3, इन सबको वेरी करके आप क्या कर सकते हैं, गेन को हाई कर सकते हैं ना. So these two operations are independent now, and this is the output of a inverting voltage amplifier, है ना. Inverting voltage amplifier. क्या ये बात सभी को समझ में आई? Is there any problem in this expression? कोई परेशानी है इस एक्सप्रेशन में? हाँ या ना बोले. Okay, no. If this is so, let's try few problem based on this concept, है ना. इस कॉन्सेप्ट पे बेस्ड कुछ प्रॉब्लम हम ट्राई करते हैं. देखो क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम पूछे हैं, बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम पूछे हैं इस पे तो, है ना. लेट्स टेक द फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, है ना. आप लोग आंसर बताएंगे इसका मुझे, एंड विद द मिनिमम कैलकुलेशन. लेट्स से दिस इज 100K, this is Vi, this is 100K, then we are having R, then we are having 100K, then we are having 100K. It is given that VO by Vi equal to minus 10 volt. Then find the value of R. The value of R. Find the value of R for this circuit. इस सर्किट के लिए R का वैल्यू निकालें. Find the value of R for this circuit. Okay. So let's solve this circuit. What I can say, what is initial current in this? You can apply the virtual ground concept because a negative feedback is available. So current in this circuit is Vi divided by 100K. Now you are having only feedback network. So let's write this feedback network. This is V out. This potential is 0 and current is Vi by 100K. If current is Vi by 100K, then potential drop here is Vi by 100K into R. So potential of this point is minus Vi into R divided by 100. Now this is also 100K. So we can say current in this direction will be Vi into R divided by 10 raised to the power 4K, and this is also 100K. So what I can say, the potential drop in this resistance will be current, which is Vi by 100K plus Vi into R2 divided by 10 raised to the power 4K. This is multiplied by what? 100K. And what is output? The potential of this point is minus Vi into R by 100. So it's a minus Vi into R divided by 100. And we are going plus to minus. So it's a minus times of, this is cancel. So minus of Vi into R divided by 100 equal to V out. So what we can say, minus Vi into 100. Okay, fine. Okay. This is not R2, this is R. So we are having two currents. One current is Vi by 100K. The second current is Vi. The second current is Vi into R divided by 100. Okay. Okay. 450K. Okay. Is there a mistake in my question, my calculation? This is 0 minus Vi into R divided by 100. minus, what we can say, the value of r. Is there any mistake in my calculation? Please बताएं. वैष्णवी यादव एंड पार्थ Rituja, correct. 450 is correct answer. Is there any mistake from my side? Okay. 10 raised to the power 4. Okay. These two voltages are plus. So what we can say, minus Vi minus 2 times of Vi into R divided by 100 equal to V output. So what is given? V output by V input ratio is minus 10. So minus V output divided by V input ratio is minus 10. So minus 10 is equivalent to minus 1 minus 2R divided by 100K. So we can cancel this minus minus. So it's a 10 equal to 1 plus 2R divided by 100. So this is 9 divided by 2 into 100 is R equal to 450. Okay, fine. So this is the answer for the question. इससे ना वो 2 माइनस लगा दिए थे इसलिए थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक हो गया. कोई परेशानी किसी को इसमें? एनी डाउट? कोई दिक्कत? आगे बढ़ा जाए. एक क्वेश्चन और ट्राई करना चाहोगे? ओके. Let's try one more question based on the same concept. Find the voltage gain of this amplifier. What is given? This is 10 kilo ohm. This is Vi. Then we have 10 kilo, 10 kilo, 10 kilo, 10 kilo, 10 kilo, and this is connected to output. Find the voltage gain. This plus is connected to ground. Voltage gain of this amplifier. कैलकुलेट करें जल्दी, आंसर बताएं. Okay, you are trying. I'm waiting for answer. Okay, let's try this question. आंसर आया किसी का? -6. ओके, थोड़ा गड़बड़ हुआ है. एनीवेज, नो प्रॉब्लम. What I can say, I can apply the concept of virtual ground, and if I apply the concept of virtual ground, this is 0. So let's redraw this circuit. What I am saying, you are having this circuit. 10K, 10K, अननेसेसरी आप केवीएल केसीएल लगाने की कोशिश ना करें, है ना, लेंदी कर लेंगे उसको आप. 10K, this is 10K, and this output is V output. In this voltage I am interested. What else is given? The current across this resistance is given. This is at 0 volt, है ना, ये पॉइंट कितने पे है? 0 पे है. And this current is VI by 10K. If this current is VI by 10K, then I can say the potential drop at this point is VI by 10K into 10K is VI. If this potential is VI, this is minus of VI. We are starting from 0 and going plus to minus. So minus of VI. Then I can say the current in this direction is VI by 10K. Then what is potential drop here? This current is VI by 10K plus VI by 10K. This is 2 times of VI by 10K. So I can say this potential is 2 times of VI. Now what I can say? VI by 10K, VI by 10K into 10K. It's a 2 times of VI by 10K multiplied by 10K is 2VI. This potential is minus VI and we are again going plus to minus. So this potential will be minus 3 times of VI. So I can say the current in this side will be 3 times of VI by 10K. So potential drop at this point will be, यहां फ्लो होने वाला करंट था VI by 10K, VI by 10K it's 2 VI by 10K plus 3 VI by 10K is 5 VI by 10K into 10K is 5 times of VI. And very easily we can find the answer. If this value is minus 3 VI, again we are going plus to minus, so V output is equivalent to minus 8 times of V input. So we can say the voltage gain of this circuit is equivalent to minus 8. So what is answer for this circuit? -8 is the voltage gain for this circuit. क्या ये सभी को क्लियर है? बहुत ही बेसिक है ना, आपको कहीं सॉल्व नहीं करना पड़ता, वहीं आप आंसर निकाल लेंगे. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ? इज देयर एनी डाउट? इज देयर एनी डाउट इन द क्वेश्चन? नो. चलो, लेट्स ट्राई सम कॉन्सेप्चुअल प्रॉब्लम बेस्ड ऑन ओपेम, है ना. सम कॉन्सेप्चुअल प्रॉब्लम बेस्ड ऑन ओपेम, द लेस कैलकुलेशन but conceptual problem. Let's see. The first problem is this. Okay. Problem number 1. This is one op-amp. One volt, 6 kilo. Then we are having 2 kilo. Then this voltage is VO. And this potential is 4 volt. Fine. कैलकुलेट द आउटपुट वोल्टेज. वीओ का वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करें आप इस सर्किट के लिए, है ना. आइडियल ओपैम्प. In ideal op-amp circuit, calculate V output. Calculate V output in case of ideal op-amp. Okay, let's see how to approach this question. है ना? Yes, if negative feedback is available, I can apply the virtual ground concept, and if I can apply the virtual ground concept, this value will be 4 volt. So if this value is 4 volt, we are going to plus to minus, this value will be 3 volt. 4 minus 1 is 3 volt, correct? Now what we know, that the current in op amp terminal is equivalent to I minus is equivalent to 0. op amp के अंदर कोई करंट एक्सेप्ट एंटर नहीं करेगा. अगर op amp के अंदर कोई करंट जाएगा नहीं, तो op amp से कोई यहां कोई करंट आएगा भी नहीं. तो दिस करंट इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 0, और ये करंट 0 है, तो व्हाट आई कैन से, द पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप अक्रॉस 6 किलो ओम इज 0 वोल्ट. So what is, this is 4 volt, then 4 minus 1 is 3 volt, then it's a 0. ये भी 3 volt, तो यहां भी कितना आया, 3 volt. तो what is output voltage for this op amp? The output voltage is equivalent to 3 volt. And what is current? You can say, पूछा तो नहीं है, फिर भी निकाल सकते हैं. The current in this is equivalent to what? 3 divided by 2k. 3 divided by 2k, which is 1.5 milliampere. So what I can say, total current through the load is 1.5 milliampere. इसका मतलब जो यहां से तो कोई करंट आया नहीं है. If I apply KVL, so this current is 1.5 milliampere. तो कभी आपको op amp का आउटपुट करंट पूछा है, तो that current is 1.5 milliampere. The current going through 2 kilo ohm resistance is 1.5 milliampere and V out equal to 3 volt. यहां किसी को, अब यहां कॉन्सेप्ट क्या था? द कॉन्सेप्ट इज बेसिक नेटवर्क एनालिसिस. यही कॉन्सेप्ट था कि 6k के अक्रॉस पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप कितना होगा, 0. तो ब्लाइंडली उसमें केवीएल केसीएल कुछ भी अप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है. के बात क्लियर हुई? पार्थ थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया. क्या ये बात क्लियर हुई सभी को? इस कॉन्सेप्ट में किसी को कोई डाउट है क्या? बताएं जल्दी. इज देयर एनी डाउट इन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट? Is there any doubt in this concept? Yes. कोई डाउट नहीं है? डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हैं आप, है ना? चलो, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द नेक्स्ट. राइट, ट्राई some good problem based on op amp. The next one is this. We are having this circuit. Okay. Then I am having this. Then I am having and find this, the output voltage across current source in case of ideal op amp. In case of ideal op amp, find the resistance is 30 kilo ohm. कैलकुलेट द वी आउटपुट फॉर दिस सर्किट. इस सर्किट का वी आउटपुट कैलकुलेट करें, है ना? कैलकुलेट वी आउटपुट फॉर दिस सर्किट. करें ट्राई जल्दी, बताएं आंसर कितना होगा. बताएं, आंसर बताएं जल्दी। नो कैलकुलेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड, ओनली कॉन्सेप्ट। व्हाट आई कैन से, आ रहा है आंसर? यस, वेरी गुड, पार्थ करेक्ट है। पार्थ इज करेक्ट, गुड। जीरो इज करेक्ट आंसर। जीरो इज करेक्ट आंसर। और किसी का आया क्या? और किसी का आया आंसर? ओके, दो तीन लोगों का है। व्हाट आई कैन से, अगेन द सेम कॉन्सेप्ट, द कॉन्सेप्ट इज सेम, दैट नो करंट विल एंटर or take exit from this terminal, so potential drop across 30 kilo ohm will be 0, and due to virtual ground these two terminals are also short circuited, so output voltage is equivalent to 0. 0 is correct answer for this question. The 0 is correct answer for this question, है ना? अब लीनियर ओपैम्प तो ऐसा हो गया कि इट्स अ इट्स अ वेरी बेसिक सर्किट, है ना? केवीएल केसीएल इज रिक्वायर्ड, और उससे भी ज्यादा आसान कि इसके बहुत सारे टर्मिनल तो करंट एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करते, तो क्या प्रॉब्लम, फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं। लेट्स ट्राई वन क्वेश्चन, प्रीवियस ईयर गेट क्वेश्चन, एंड क्वेश्चन इज गिवन बाय दिस। We are having a source of 0.3 milliampere, then we are having one op amp, this is 10 kilo, this is 30 kilo, this is 20 kilo, and this is connected to ground. This output is V output voltage. So you have to calculate the value of V output, and options are -5, -3, 3 and 5. Calculate. These questions are more of a ना more of a puzzle, not कोई concept नहीं लगता इनमें. How we can proceed? That this terminal of op-amp, because we know we can apply the virtual ground concept. So knowing this potential is very important. We know that this current in op-amp is equivalent to 0. If this current is 0, we can say there will be a current in the op-amp in this direction. And that current is V output divided by 50K. If this is V output divided by 50K, can I say there will be a potential drop here, and that potential drop will be V output divided by 50K into 20K is 2V output divided by 5. So if this potential is 0 and we are going negative to positive, this potential is 2V output divided by 5. So due to virtual ground concept, because negative feedback is available, this is also 2V output divided by 5. And 0.3 milliampere current will not enter into this region. तो ये भी कहां से जाएगा? यहां से जाएगा. So what is potential drop here? 0.3 into 10K is 3 volt. If this is so, what I can say that 2V output by 5 minus 3 equal to V output. This potential minus this potential is equivalent to V output. So we can say V output, okay, minus 3V output divided by 5 equal to 3. So V output 3 cancel, V output equal to what? Minus 5. So what is value of V output? V output is equivalent to minus 5. This is minus 5. And this value is minus 5. So minus 5 cancel, minus 2. So can I say the potential drop here across 30K is minus 3 volt. है ना? So this is how the circuit will work. क्या ये समझ में आया आप लोगों को? Very good. Not minus 5, it's plus 5, it's a minus 5. Path, it's a minus 5, not plus 5. क्या ये क्लियर है सभी को? क्या ये बात क्लियर है सभी को? अरे हाँ या ना? Is there any problem in this circuit? क्या कोई प्रॉब्लम है इस सर्किट में? यस, क्लियर है. Okay, let's try one more question. And the question is this. बहुत अच्छे क्वालिटी के क्वेश्चंस हैं ये, है ना? और आते ही हैं, है ना? अभी जो कर रहे हैं हम सारे प्रीवियस ईयर गेट है, तो बनना चाहिए वो हमसे. Okay, let's start. I have one more problem, and problem is this. this is minus, this is plus. A 1 kilo ohm resistance is connected to this Vi. This is 1 kilo ohm resistance, and a two-port parameter is connected in feedback. So what I can say, a two-port parameter is connected in feedback. One, this parameter is 1 prime. This is 2. This is 2 prime. Two terminal is connected to output. And this terminal is connected to ground. और क्या दिया है आपको? और आपको दिया है ये that this is V output. This is connected to ground. Z11 equal to Z22 equal to 11 किलो, ये आपको दिया है. Z12 is equivalent to Z21 is equivalent to 1 किलो, ये भी आपको दिया है. तो आपसे पूछा है द गेन ऑफ एम्पलीफायर, है ना, द वोल्टेज गेन ऑफ द एम्पलीफायर, gain of the amplifier. And what are the options? Options are 110, 11, -1 and -120. This is 2 mark क्वेश्चन है ना, और शायद बहुत ही फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चन है. मतलब इसमें कोई ऐसा एडिशनल कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं, जस्ट अप्रोच करने का तरीका आना चाहिए. ट्राई करें इसको, जल्दी ट्राई करें. हाँ जी. करंट सोर्स उसके अक्रॉस पोलरिटी क्या है इस बात पे कहाँ डिपेंड करता है ना, डायरेक्शन रिवर्स नहीं होगी. करंट सोर्स इज इंडिपेंडेंट. Okay, minus 120. How to proceed for this question? What I can say, take this box out from this circuit. So what is given? That I can take this circuit out. This is 1 prime. And what is potential at this point? The potential is 0. And what is current? Current inside the circuit is equivalent to Vi divided by 1K. This potential is V output and this is 2 prime. ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. Now, what is Z parameter? The Z parameter can be written as V1 is equivalent to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2 and V2 is equivalent to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. So what is 0? The input is 0. So we can say 0 is equivalent to Z11 is 11 I1 plus I2 equal to 0. And next V2. V2 is equivalent to Z21 I1 plus 11 times of I2. Now what we want? We want the ratio of uh, output by input voltage. So what is value of I1? I can say the value of I1 is VI milliampere. So let's replace it. I2 equal to minus 11 times of I1. So I2 is equivalent to minus 11 times of I1. What is I1? VI. So we can say V2 is equivalent to I1 plus, what is I1? I1 is VI minus 11 times of I2. And what is I2? Plus 11 times of I2 is minus 11 of Vi. So what I can say? V2 divided by V1. V2 is equivalent to minus of 120 times of Vi. So V2 divided by V1 is equivalent to minus of 120 volt. So what is the answer for this question? Minus of 120 volt. Not minus 1. No, minus 1 is not correct. Chalo, very good. Now we are having one more problem. The last problem, practice problem. बाकी आप लोग try कर सकते हैं ना, कोई परेशानी नहीं. So problem is this, that okay, we are having this circuit. Three volt, then 1K, this is connected to ground. One K, this is V1, 1K, this is also 3K, and a resistance is connected like this. Then we are having one more op amp, minus plus, this connected to 2 volt, then we are having this resistance as a 5 kilo ohm resistance. Fine, this is 5 kilo ohm resistance. तो आपको बताना है find the value of V1. What is the value of V1 in this circuit? I hope and resistance are ideal. This is 1k. This resistance is equivalent to 1k. और ये पूछा है आपसे गेट 2020, पिछली बार क्वेश्चन आया था ये, गेट 2020 में क्वेश्चन पूछा है आपसे. एंड ओके, एवरीथिंग इज गिवन. बताओ व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ V1 एंड इट्स 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन. आप समझें कि ये आसान ही क्वेश्चन रहा होगा, है ना. फंडामेंटल्स लगाए आप. ओके, -1. Answer is not -1. No. टू 2.4. ओके, देखिए जरा इसको, है ना, एक बार और ट्राई करना, पर हमको कुछ और क्वेश्चन लेना पड़ेगा. व्हाट आई कैन से, ड्यू टू वर्चुअल ग्राउंड कॉन्सेप्ट, this resistance is having value 3 volt. If this resistance is 3 volt, with 3 volt in ground, there is a potential difference of 3 volt. So 3 volt divided by 1k, 3 minus 0, higher potential minus lower potential divided by 1k. यहां से करंट गया कितना, 3 मिली एम्पियर बाहर की तरफ. अच्छा, now I am interested in this current. So due to virtual ground, these two potentials are also same. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, 2 volt. This potential is 3 volt, this potential is 2 volt. So potential difference of 1 volt divided by 1k, this is 1 milliampere. यहां से बाहर गया करंट कितना, 1 milliampere. Now what I can say, if I apply KCL, then current entering into the op amp is equivalent to 0, because this is ideal op amp. So, and this potential is what, 3 volt. 1 ampere current is going out, 3 ampere is current going out. So I can say this is the 4 milliampere. ये 4 milliampere current आ रहा होगा, है ना. Incoming current is equivalent to outgoing current. So incoming current is 4. 4 is distributed into the two parts. 3 milliampere will flow through 1 kilo ohm resistance and 1 milliampere will flow through the feedback resistance. So if this is so, can I say there is a potential drop of 4 volt? So if this potential is 3 volt and you are going negative to positive, so answer is 7 volt. इसका आंसर कितना है? 7 volt is correct answer. तो ध्यान रखें भाई, बड़ा आसान क्वेश्चन था, गलत नहीं होना था. एक और ट्राई करें फिर. ओके, try one more question. The question is this. Let's see what question is. We are having this circuit. 3 kilo ohm resistance is connected to 3 kilo ohm resistance and this is 1 volt. Fine. Now this is also a 3 kilo ohm resistance. Then with 3 kilo ohm resistance, this is connected to one more op amp. This is 12 kilo ohm resistance. This is V output. And we are connecting one more resistance. One more resistance again in feedback. So what I can say, we are having one more resistance R. Okay. And this current is I equal to 0. ये दिया है आपको. This is ground. This is ground. तो आपसे पूछा है व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ आर इन किलो ओम. ये जो रेजिस्टेंस है आर, इसका वैल्यू कितना होगा किलो ओम में. करें जल्दी, क्वेश्चन बड़ा आसान है. This is gate 2019. Two mark question, gate 2019. I'm waiting for answer. आंसर बताएं जल्दी। Okay, how we can proceed for this question? It is given that the voltage, it is given that current through the source is 0. So voltage drop across 3 kilo ohm resistance is equivalent to 0. So if applied voltage is 1 volt, this is also 1 volt. और अगर ये 1 volt है तो there is a current of 1/3 milliampere, because due to virtual ground this is also 0. If this is so, I can say this current will flow through this, इसके through flow होगा, and 1/3 milliampere into 3k is 1 volt. If this potential is 0, you are going negative to positive, so this potential is 1 volt. यहाँ भी value आया 1 volt. Now again I can say this potential is 0, so this answer is 1/3 milliampere. And when 1/3 milliampere flow through 12k, it's a 4 volt. So this is 0, so this output is equivalent to -4. Fine. Now can I say the current coming from this is 0? Current coming from this is 1/3. So 1/3 current will enter into this region. और अगर यहां एंटर करेगा तो अब तो बड़ा आसान हो गया. द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस डिवाइडेड बाय रेजिस्टेंस इज इक्विवेलेंट टू करंट. सो व्हाट इज पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस? हायर पोटेंशियल इज 1 volt, लोअर पोटेंशियल इज 4 volt, divided by resistance is R, equal to 1/3 milliampere. So what is value of R? R is equivalent to 5 into 3, 15 kilo. So what is the value of R in this question? The value of R in this question is equivalent to 15 kilo. क्या बात समझ में आई? क्या ये क्लियर हुआ? हाँ या ना बोले? यस. ओके, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. एंड द नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट इज op-amp with finite open loop gain, है ना? op-amp with finite open loop gain. op-amp with finite open loop gain. Now what we are saying, yes, op-amp is in negative feedback, but gain is not infinite. So you cannot apply the virtual ground concept. This is the idea. So what we can say, we are having, let's say, this amplifier. This is one amplifier. This value is R1. This value is Vi. Then we are having one more resistance as R2. This is V output minus, this is plus, and this is connected to ground. So this is the idea for the circuit. And what is given? That open loop gain is not infinity. The open loop gain of this op-amp is not equal to infinity. Then how we will proceed for this question? So देखो, if open loop gain is not equal to infinity, then we cannot apply the virtual ground concept. We cannot apply the virtual ground concept, है ना? The tracking potential concept is not applicable. So we will go by basic. And what your basic says? Let's say this voltage is V minus. So what is V output? You can say V output is given by V plus minus V minus into A of open loop gain. So we can say V output is equivalent to V plus, which is 0 in this question, V minus, है ना? V minus को 0 नहीं लेना इस बार, वर्चुअल ग्राउंड इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल. और मैंने पहले भी बताया आपको कि बहुत थ्योरेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट है वर्चुअल ग्राउंड. सो व्हाट इज V माइनस? इट इज V आउटपुट डिवाइडेड बाय A of open loop gain, which is not infinite this time, है ना? ऐसा कुछ आया मेरे पास. V output minus A of V minus V output divided by AOL. Now, don't apply virtual ground concept, but we can apply the KCL analysis. कि यहां से जाने वाला करंट कितना होगा? That is V minus Vi divided by R1. यहां से जाने वाला करंट कितना होगा? V minus Vi divided by R1. And this whole current will go through this. इनपुट रेजिस्टेंस अभी भी इनफाइनाइट है ना? तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? V minus Vi डिवाइडेड बाय R1, और पोटेंशियल लिखना है तो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय R2. So we can have the value of output. So value of output is V minus plus this potential V minus Vi by R1 multiplied by R2 equal to V output. Just applied one KCL in this loop, है ना? We have applied KCL in this loop. So can I say okay, what I can say, V minus, okay, this is divided by whole. So if I take V minus common, it's 1 plus R2 by R1 minus Vi into R2 by R1 equal to V output, just multiplication of resistances. Now we are having the V output. What is V out? V minus? V minus is given as V output divided by AOL. So I can write minus V output divided by open loop gain into 1 plus R2 by R1 is equivalent to minus Vi into R2 by R1 equal to V output. Now what I can say? I can say the value of V output. So minus Vi into R2 divided by R1 equal to V output. I can take common in this from these two terms. So this is 1 plus 1 divided by A of open loop gain into 1 plus R2 by R1. So if open loop gain of op-amp is not infinite, then you can say the closed loop voltage gain will be minus R2 by R1 divided by 1 plus A of open loop gain into 1 plus R2 by R1. और जरा आप देखें कि इन्वर्टिंग एम्पलीफायर था. This is the generalized expression. If you select open loop gain is equivalent to infinite, you will get the same relationship. जो पहला relationship आपने देखा था वही relationship आपको फिर से मिल जाएगा. So this is the idea for the gain of inverting op-amp when open loop gain is not infinite. अगर open loop gain infinite नहीं है तो gain कितना होगा? Gain जो आपको लिखा है उतना होगा. तो इस फॉर्मूले को याद करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट गो बाय द बेसिक. बेसिक क्या है? द बेसिक इक्वेशन ऑफ op-amp. op-amp इज ए डिफरेंशियल एम्पलीफायर का जो रिजल्ट है उस रिजल्ट को आपको यूज करना है सो दैट यू कैन गेट द आंसर, है ना. इसमें और कोई नई बात, नया कॉन्सेप्ट कुछ है नहीं. क्या ये बात समझ में आया? इज दिस क्लियर? हाँ जी, क्या ये क्लियर हुआ आपको? वेरी गुड. एक क्वेश्चन ट्राई करें इस पे. अच्छा, वी कैन हैव द सेम आइडिया फॉर वी नॉन इन्वर्टिंग op-amp ऑल्सो, है ना. गेन ऑफ नॉन इन्वर्टिंग op-amp. नॉन इन्वर्टिंग एम्पलीफायर if open loop gain is not equal to infinite. How to proceed for this? Let's say, है ना, what we can say that we are having this circuit. This is R1, this is R2, this is minus, this is plus, this is Vi, and what is given? That open loop gain is not infinite, and this is V output. So what we can say? Let's say this potential is V minus. अब इसको Vi नहीं लिखना है because if open loop gain is not infinite, you cannot apply the virtual ground concept. So what we can say? We can say the basic equation of op-amp is V output is equivalent to V plus, which is Vi, minus V minus, which is V minus. We can say V plus equal to Vi, V minus is V minus into A of open loop gain. So what we can say? V output divided by A of open loop gain equal to Vi minus V minus. So you can say V minus is equivalent to Vi minus V output divided by A of open loop gain. This is the new equation. Now from basic calculation we can find the output that this current will be V minus divided by R2. So this will be V minus divided by R2 divided by R1 into R2. So what is V output? V output is V minus 1 plus R2 by R1. यही देखा, KVL लगा दिया. Now you can replace V output. You can say V output is equivalent to V minus, और V minus का वैल्यू ये है, it's VI minus V output divided by A of open loop gain multiplied by 1 plus R2 by R1. अब सारे V आउटपुट को एक तरफ कर लो और VI को एक तरफ कर लेते हैं. सो व्हाट आई कैन से, V आउटपुट प्लस V आउटपुट divided by AOL into 1 plus R2 by R1 is equivalent to VI into 1 plus R2 by R1. This is the idea. Now what we can say, V output divided by V input or closed loop voltage gain is 1 plus R2 divided by R1 whole divided by 1 plus 1 divided by A of open loop gain into 1 plus R2 by R1. This is the idea. Again, if you select open loop gain is equivalent to infinity, this is the most generalized expression. If you select open loop gain equal to infinity, then I can say the closed loop voltage gain will be 1 plus R2 by R1. The same expression जो आपने वर्चुअल ग्राउंड कॉन्सेप्ट लगा के निकाला. क्या ये बात समझ में आई आपको? क्या ये बात क्लियर है? Is there any problem in the expression? No. चलो आगे देखते हैं. एक क्वेश्चन ट्राई करें बेस्ड ऑन द सेम कॉन्सेप्ट बट विदाउट फॉर्मूला. फॉर्मूला लगाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है ना. द क्वेश्चन इज दिस. This is 2 kilo ohm. This is connected to ground. This is 3 kilo ohm. And this is 2 volt. Fine. The open loop gain of this op amp is equivalent to 10. Then I am interested in the voltage gain. इसका voltage gain कितना होगा? हाँ जी, क्या आंसर आया है? अगर ओपन लूप गेन इनफाइनाइट होता तब आंसर होता 2 into 3/2. 2 into 3/2 is 5/2. 5/2 into 2 is 5. But due to poor open loop gain, what I can say, the answer will be this. है ना? Let's apply the basic. We can say V output of op-amp is given by, this is V minus, this is V plus. V plus minus V minus into 10, into AOL. So V output can be written as V plus, which is 2 volt, minus V minus, we are interested divided by. So you can say V minus is equivalent to 2 minus V output divided by 10. Now, if this is V minus, then current here is V minus divided by 2K. और यहां से करंट अगर V minus divided by 2K flow होगा, then what I can say, the potential drop here will be V minus divided by 2K into 3K. So 3V minus divided by 2. If this potential is V minus, then I can write V output equal to 5 by 2 times of V minus. So 1 plus 3/2 is 5/2 V minus. Now we are having the equation. V output can be written as 5/2 into 2 minus V output divided by 10. Now just mathematics. V output is equivalent to 5 minus 5 cancel, minus V output by 4. So 5V output divided by 4 equal to 5. 5 and 5 cancel, V output equal to 4. फाइनाइट ओपन लूप गेन क्या करेगा, गेन को कम कर देगा, है ना? और ये है ना, ये कॉन्सेप्ट भी है, व्हेन द गेन इज फाइनाइट द आउटपुट इज आल्सो फाइनाइट, विल बी लोअर. क्या ये बात समझ में आई? क्या ये पॉइंट क्लियर है सभी को? जल्दी बताएं, so that we can discuss a new concept. एक और करना चाहेंगे क्या इसी कॉन्सेप्ट पे? एक क्वेश्चन और ट्राई करना चाहोगे इस कॉन्सेप्ट पे? Okay, let's try one more question on this concept. The op-amp has open loop gain is equivalent to 5. This is plus, this is minus, this is 1K, 1 volt, and this is 10K. Find the V output for this circuit. इस सर्किट के लिए आपको V आउटपुट का वैल्यू निकालना है when the open loop gain is equivalent to 5. बताएं आंसर विदाउट फॉर्मूला। आंसर निकाले भाई जल्दी। What we can say, if open loop gain is finite, I have to apply the basic V output is equivalent to V plus, which is 0, minus V minus this potential divided by V plus minus V minus into 5. So you can say V output divided by minus 5 is equivalent to V minus. Now we can say यहाँ से current flow होगा, that current is V minus minus 1 divided by 1K plus V minus minus V output divided by 10K is equivalent to 0. So we can say V plus V by 10 is 11 by 10K equal to V output by 10K plus 1. So we can say 11 times of V minus this 10K into V output minus 5 minus V output by 10K equal to 1. कैलकुलेशन करना है और कुछ है नहीं इसमें. So you can take V output by 10K is common. तो कितना बचा? minus 11 by 5 minus 1 equal to 1. So this is minus 16 by 5. So V output is equivalent to 50 divided by minus 16. So this is the answer for the question. इस क्वेश्चन का ये आंसर होगा. तो केवल कैलकुलेशन था. ओके. नाउ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, क्या आप चाहते हैं अगले वीकेंड आपका क्लास हो? है ना? अगर आप चाहते हैं कि अगले वीकेंड आपका क्लास हो तो प्लीज मुझे अभी चैट बॉक्स में बता दें. इज इट पॉसिबल टू हैव क्लास ऑन नेक्स्ट वीकेंड? जल्दी बताएं. अगले वीकेंड क्लास चाहते हैं आप? यस और नो लिख दें आप, यस और नो, सो दैट आई कैन शेड्यूल अकॉर्डिंगली. आई एम वेटिंग. Is it possible to have class on next weekend or next weekdays? यस। यस, तो आप मुझे डेट बता दें कब आप मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे और थर्सडे फ्राइडे मतलब कब रख सकते हैं? जल्दी बताएं भाई। ओके, वीकेंड्स पे ही रखें। सो देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम विद दिवाली, है ना? तो अगले वीकेंड फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे क्लास होगा, है ना? सैटरडे इज दिवाली। ओके, सो देयर इज क्लास ऑन नेक्स्ट वीकेंड। तो देखो एजेंडा ऐसा है कुछ कि वी विल कवर व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द गेट। तो आफ्टर ओपैम वी विल स्टॉप दिस सब्जेक्ट एंड वी विल मूव टू सम मोर इंपॉर्टेंट, है ना? वी विल स्टडी टॉपिक वाइज नॉट सब्जेक्ट वाइज। तो जो इंपॉर्टेंट होगा उसके बाद कंट्रोल या सिग्नल आपको जो भी पढ़ना होगा वो स्टार्ट करेंगे। क्लियर है? ओके, सो अगले वीकेंड पे क्लास है आपका, है ना? थैंक यू वेरी मच।